Welcome back. So here we are going to solve a new question, that is edit distance. So in this question we have to convert word 1 to word 2 with minimum number of operations, and the operations can be insert, delete or replace a character. Basically here you can see the written minimum number. So basically minimum number means we have to apply DP. So if we are going to apply DP, the first thing must come in our mind is recursion. So basically I am going to explain this question, how to solve this question in a recursion way, means how you are going to approach a question, such type of question, in a recursive way. Okay. So I will apply I will write the tabular program, but I will make sure you will understand the recursion also, means how the tabular coding is come from recursion and memotization only. So let's start the question. Since I am going to solve this question in tabular form, so I will create a table, and the size of the table will be size of word 1, length of word 1 plus 1. So and will store the length of word 1, and similarly M will store the length of word 2, and the size of my table will be n plus 1 n plus 1. Okay. And since we are going to convert word 1 into word 2, so suppose if you are having null in word 1, then you are going to store uh, m characters in our word 1 so that we can get word 2. Okay, or we can convert word 1 to word 2. So what is the cost? The cost will be the size of the, or the length of the word 2. Okay, so basically you have to think like this, means how the recursive way, what is the base condition. So base condition will be word, either word 1 will be null or word 2 will be null. If word 1 will be null, then we have to insert. So uh, if you want to convert word 1 to word 2, and if word 1 is null, then the cost of converting word 1 to word 2 will be the length of word 2. And similarly, if word 2 is null and word 1 is not null, then the converting word 1 into word 2, it will cost you, and cost you length of word 2. So basically, so this is the base condition for your recursion. So in tabular form we are uh, doing like this. So your I will be 0. Okay. Cost will be I. Okay. And similarly for J, cost will be J. This is the base condition. Now let's go to the body part. So what will happen here? Just you have to run two loops. Okay. So what will happen if your word 1 equal to word 2, means the character at word 1 I minus 1 is equal to word 2 J minus 1, then just you have to increase, you don't have to increase anything, it will be same of dp I minus 1 J minus 1, means you are not adding any cost. Else if word 1 at character I minus, if word 1 at what the character at I minus 1 in word 1 is not equal to character j minus 1 at word 2. If not equal, then we are going to have some cost, and the cost will be either of insert, delete, or replace. So basically we have to 1 plus minimum of, basically we have to calculate the minimum. So dp of I minus 1 j or dp of I j minus 1, or we are either replacing it. Okay, I minus 1 j minus 1. So and just return dp, and this will give you the minimum cost that is required to convert word 1 to word 2. There is some, okay, there is some compilation error. Solve it. So basically this algorithm is used in that part. Suppose if you are searching something in database and you have written wrong or misspelled something like you want to search for airport and you have written the wrong spelling of airport, then if this algorithm will be used, then it will show you the correct thing in the database. Otherwise it will be a bad user experience to get something like your word does not exist in database. So for good user experience it is used. So thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe and like. Thank you.